Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our lab is protein estimation. It's divided into two parts. Part one is urine protein. Part two is blood serum, protein serum. Number one, urine protein. We know normally our urine should not find protein in it, but if we have a protein in it, we need to do some tests to know the kind of a protein that found in our urine. The amount of protein must be have in our urine must be less than 150 milligram per 24 hours. We do this test to detect protein in urine and to monitor kidney function and to detect early kidney damage. The doctor asked for this test. We say to know the concentration of the protein in urine. But in this test, we can't detect the type of protein. If the doctor wants to detect the kind of protein, he must order serum protein or urine protein electrophoresis. Now, we must know that proteinuria, that's mean it's a medical condition, have characterized by that the protein production or excretion in the urine more than 100 milligram per 24 hour. To do this test by two ways. The way is enzymatic method and the other by hot acid media. We need to filtrate fresh urine and tube Pyrex and a plastic rubber. We take 3 ml of fresh urine and use the flame to make the liquid boiling. Take 3 ml of fresh urine and boiling it on the flame. You see this? Okay, it's boiling, made it cool. See the tube turbidity or cloudiness. That's mean the urine have phosphate or protein. Phosphate or protein. To distinguish between if we have phosphate or protein, we will take 1 drop of glacial acetic acid, but beware, it's very scratchy. You will see 1 drop of glacial acetic acid. The durability or cloudiness is staying, not disappearing. That means we have protein. Because if the turbidity or cloudiness is disappearing, that means it's phosphate. The phosphate is dissolved at hot acidic media. This is the first way of detects that if our urine have a protein or not by glacial acetic acid. The another way is enzymatic method. We use the strip that have pads with chemical compound. This pad is specific for detect if our urine have a protein or not. Avoid touch it to avoid pollution. You see, this pad have a reagent is tetrabromophenols blue and buffer. We dip it for 1 second in fresh urine. And then compare with a chart. You see, this pad is sensitive to protein concentration. If we have a higher specific gravity of urine, it will have interference, or if we have a urine alkaline, made another interference on the result. You see this, when we compare the chart with it, we can detect and tell the doctor if we have minus or +1, +2, +3, and at the last +4. This method is to detect if our urine have a protein or not. That's it.